You can always count on me to find the best and easy to start YouTube niches that are very lucrative, that you can start from the comfort of your home and start making thousands of dollars, just like this channel. This is a kids channel. I'm going to be introducing you to this niche shortly, but first, you can see that this channel earns $46,100 every single month. Now, for those of you that will argue that Social Blade is not usually correct, as a YouTuber with multiple channels and from the channels that I manage as well, I can categorically tell you that whatever figure that you're seeing here is usually way lesser than any channel generates on a monthly basis. But let me just agree with you. Let's just say that this is not correct. Let's say that this channel generates half of this amount on a monthly basis. Imagine what over $20,000 would do for you every single month, all from the comfort of your home, using just AI tools that I'm going to be introducing to you in this video. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in and go over to youtube.com, of course. And then on the search bar, we're going to search for gospel music cartoon. So here you can see that a lot of videos are doing so well under this niche. As you can see here, this video has gotten 47 million views and it was 3 years ago. And the most important thing you should always check out when you are doing your research is the views per hour. That is the number of people that are currently watching the video on average every single hour. And guess what? This video was uploaded 3 years ago. So for a video that is 3 years old and over 2,300 people are currently watching it every single hour, that means that this niche, this video type is super hot. You can also see that the outlier score for this video is over 100 times. That is, this video performed 100 times plus better than all the videos on this channel. Now, how cool is this? Now, this is so incredible. Not just this channel, you can see other channels as well. You can see that this video was uploaded 1 year ago. It has gotten 20 million views and is currently getting 2,000 views per hour. And again, it's performing 100 times better than the videos on the channel. Now, if you don't consider this super cool, I don't know what you're going to consider cool anymore, because this is amazing. So if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see other channels. I'll leave you to continue with the research and tell me what you got, right? I'm super excited to introduce you to this. I tried it and it's super cool. And I'm going to be showing you how to create these videos. Now let's randomly pick a channel to see if this niche is monetizable and if they are making money. I know I've shown you that amount in the beginning, but now I want to walk you through so that you can see it in real time, right? So here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this channel, 3 little words, okay? And as you can see, they are currently live streaming. I've done a lot of tutorials on how you can live stream on your channel and get a lot of subscribers, a lot of watch time and all of that. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave the link here and I'm also going to leave it in the description so that you can go ahead and watch it and learn how you can always live stream on your channel. But that's not the topic for today. So let's go ahead and check out this channel. You can see that this channel gets 7 million views on average every single month. Total lifetime 131 million views. Now, how cool is this? So here you can see the channel uploads 33 videos in 30 days, average of the 3 videos in 30 days. So if you want to make a lot of money, you should be ready to do a lot of work. So now we're first going to confirm if this channel is monetized to know if this niche is monetizable. And to do that, all we have to do is go ahead and copy this and we're going to open a new browser and we're going to visit YT Large. And we're going to check if this channel is monetized so that we know that, okay, the niche is monetizable so that we won't be wasting our time. And here you can see that the channel is monetized. So now we're not going to be wasting our time. We're going to be working on something that is going to pay us eventually. Now, talking about payment, let's also confirm how much you're most likely going to make from this niche, how much this channel is making with over 200 and something thousand subscribers. Let's go ahead and visit Social Blade. And now that it has opened, we're going to go ahead and put in the link, the channel link here, and click on enter and click on search. And now the big reveal, you can see that the channel earns over $22,000 every single month. So if you want to argue this and reduce it to $10,000 every single month, now this is incredible. It's incredible. No matter the country that you're in, this is a whole lot of money. $10,000 every single month from the comfort of your home, just creating videos using AI tools. In fact, there's an amazing AI tool that I'm going to be introducing to you in this video. It's very special. I'm going to walk you through how to use it, and I'm going to walk you through how you're going to effectively use this AI tool to make all this money from your YouTube channel from the comfort of your home. So if this is something that you like, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that more people can see it and benefit from it. And it also encourages me to make more research, find more niches, and introduce that to you so that you can make a whole lot of money. Make 7 figures from the comfort of your home every single month. Now, how cool? So now that we have confirmed that this channel makes over $22,000 every single month, let's move over to the main part, and that is how you're going to create this content. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to run over to ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and visit ChatGPT on a new browser, and now I'm going to put in my ultimate prompt, which I'm going to be giving to you, by the way. So if you watch this video to the end, you're going to learn how you're going to have access to this ultimate prompt. And this is a very simple prompt. So all I'm going to do is to copy it like so, and I'm going to come over to ChatGPT and I'm going to paste it in like so. Now, this prompt is used to generate prompts that you will use to generate lyrics for your songs. So now you can see the prompt is very simple. Write me 100 different prompts for kids gospel music that every child will love and can easily sing along. I want the music to be simple, catchy, and very interesting. Use the sample in this video. Now, this is where your research comes in. You're going to research other channels that their videos are doing well, and then you're going to copy the videos with good outliers and good VPH. Make sure that the video that you're going to be taking inspiration from has at least 30 VPH, right? 30 VPH, and in our own case, this video is currently getting 606. So this is more than amazing. So what we're going to do is that we're going to copy the link to this video and we're going to come back to ChatGPT, and then we're going to paste the link to the video like this, right? So what ChatGPT will do is that ChatGPT is going to analyze the video and then it's going to generate prompts tailored for that type of music, that type of video, right? How cool is this? So now that I have this together, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and send it and let ChatGPT do its magic. So now you can see what ChatGPT generated for us. This is not what we want. We want a prompt and not the song titles, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to tell ChatGPT, these are not prompts. I want prompts and not just the song titles. So I'm going to go ahead and send this.
A few moments later.
All right, so here you can see that ChatGPT has decided to act right, and it gave us 100 prompts, 100 hot prompts tailored to already trending songs. If you look at this, you can see that this is so amazing. Create a chorus that invites children to clap and shout hallelujah together. You know this? Kids will love it, right? And here you can see another one. Write a song where kids repeat Jesus loves me in a fun call and response style. Now, how cool is this? We're going to randomly select this number 3 in no particular order, right? So I'm going to go ahead and copy it. So now that we have copied it to our clipboard, the next thing we're going to do is to open another ChatGPT chart, okay? To now develop the lyrics. And to do that, all we have to do is to paste it in here. And we're going to go ahead and send it and let ChatGPT write the song for us. Copy, paste, generate. Money everywhere. So now you can see that ChatGPT has generated the song for us, and it's super amazing. This is incredible. So the next thing we're going to do is to come over to our browser and we're going to visit the star of the day, which is Murica.ai. Now, when I found this platform, I was blown away. I know the one that we used to use before is not as complex as this one. This one is way advanced, and I'm going to be showing you how amazing this platform is. In fact, you're not going to be having any copyright issues. You can tweak anything that you want. You can tweak any song. And there is a very important part that I'm going to be sharing with you. So do well to pay attention here so that you won't miss that part, because that particular option is not in any other music generating AI. So please do well to pay attention. So now that we are here, the next thing we're going to do is to come right here and sign up with our Google account. So now that we have signed up and we have signed in, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to ChatGPT and we're going to go ahead and copy the lyrics like so. All right, copy the lyrics and we're going to go ahead and paste it here. So now we are going to be working with the basic option. Later, I'm going to teach you how to use the advanced, because the advanced is the game changer. But I want to teach you the both so that you can always play around it and juggle the whole thing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on create.
A few moments later.
So now you can see that it's done generating our song, and let's go ahead and play it back and see if we love it. So to do that, all you have to do is to click on play. Sounded a lot like Boyz II Men songs of the 90s, and this is not what we want, and that is where the advanced comes in. This is the one that makes me super excited, because with other platforms it's hard to tweak all these things, but this one, it's amazing. So here is what you're going to do when it generates a song that you don't like. In fact, you should just constantly use the advanced mode, okay? So we're going to switch over to advanced mode, and you can see a lot of options here, and I'm going to walk you through how to go about it. So first thing first, we're going to put the song title, okay? So we're going to come right here and copy the song title like so, and we're going to come back here and paste the song title here like so. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to copy everything from start to finish, copy it like so, and we're going to come back and paste it like so. So everything is amazing now. So the next thing we're going to do, which is very, very important, is to come over to the reference. You want to guide the AI to generate the kind of song that you want, the kind of sound, the kind of voice, everything. So to do that, all you have to do is to click on this plus sign. Now, this is a part of this AI tool that I love the most, having to give the tool the type of song that you want it to generate. Now, it's top notch for me. So now what I'm going to do here, you have a lot of options. You can choose the library and select the one that you want. You can select based on genre, and you can also select based on mood. However you want it is totally fine. But what we're going to be doing, because we have a project that we're working on and we want it to sound as good as what is already existing, so that we can be able to grow as fast as possible. So to do that, all we have to do is to paste in the YouTube link, the video link or the audio link, or you can even drag the audio file. If you have it on your system, you can just simply drag the audio file and drop it here, and it's going to analyze it, and then the AI is going to use the samples from the song to create yours for you, and is 100%, in fact 200% copyright free. You won't have any copyright issues whatsoever. Now, how cool is this? So now to do this, all we have to do is to jump back to this YouTube channel that gave us the inspiration to take more inspiration from the channel. So we're going to right click and copy the link to this video, and we're going to come over here and paste the link like so, and click on OK. So now that we have the link pasted, we're going to go ahead and send it and let this platform analyze the video and get the song sample and use it to create our amazing song for us. Now, how cool is this? So now you can see that it's done generating. What I usually do is that I remove the intro. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and clip it like this so that it just starts where the song starts. Yes, this is perfect. So now that we have selected the clip, the next thing we're going to do is to put in the song title. And to do that, we're going to come back to ChatGPT, and we're going to copy the song title like so. So we're going to go ahead and paste it here, Telephone to Jesus, that is the title for the song. And then we're going to select the genre. We're going to just randomly select pop. I don't know if it's pop, I don't even know, but we're going to just select pop. And then for mood, we want something energetic or something happy. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select happy, but I would love you to play around it. I'd love you to play around it and tell me what you think. So now that I've selected the mood, I'm going to click on done.
2 seconds later.
So now you can see that it's done analyzing the song and it's ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on use, and it's going to add it here as the reference for this song. Now, how cool is this? So the second option here is select a singer. Now, if you want to select the type of vocals that you want to use, all you have to do is to click on this plus sign, and then you're going to select the singer to perform your song. No matter the type of voice you want, you're going to get that here. All you need to do is to listen to their voices and see the one that you want, and then you can go ahead and use that. It's 100% copyright free, I must say again, right? So 200% copyright free, right? So now the next thing I'm going to do, we're not going to be selecting anything here because we don't want to mess up with the reference, right? So we're going to go ahead and close this. But again, I'm just showing you this so that you can see the possibilities of this platform, the things that you can use it for, and how you can tweak the song to come out. Now let's move on. Here is the description. You're going to put the description of the song if you have any. So here is the description. You're going to describe the song, how you want it to sound, the vocal, and everything. So here you can just simply put in the style, the mood, the type of vocal that you want, kids, voice, and all of that. You can put all that here, and it's going to just follow this style. But again, I don't want to mess up with the reference because we already have a reference. If we don't have a reference, you can just use this to guide the AI to have an idea of the final product that you want to see. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this back. And then this one is melody ideas. Melody ideas. If you have the melody and you want it to follow a certain melody, right? You don't have a reference, but you have the melody. All you have to do is to click on record, and you're going to record something. You're going to record the melody. So you can just go ahead and sing it, and then the AI is going to sing using that melody, using the same pattern as you. Now, how cool is this? So we're not going to be touching this for this tutorial. I just want to show you how these tools works. And this is amazing. We're going to go ahead and close it. And now that we have all this here selected, everything is amazing. The next thing we're going to do is, so let's click on create and let this AI generate the song for us.
A few moments later.
And now you can see that it's done generating our song for us. And what we're going to do next is to play it back and hear how it sounds and see if it generated something better than we got the first time that we used the basic mode. So to do that, all we have to do is to just click on play. Now, how cool is this? You can see how the advanced mode totally changed the game. You can hear being performed by an actual kid, not a voice-to-man voice that we got with the basic mode. But now the interesting part of this is that it generates two versions for you. So let's go ahead and play the second version and see if it's better than the first version that we got. So we're going to go ahead and hit play.
When the road is long and the way seems tough, with Jesus I am strong.
Now, how cool is this? You can see how amazingly well this thing came out using this platform. And one thing I love about this platform is that it gives you that opportunity to regenerate and even extend the song. So you can see that the song here is 1 minute 36 seconds. So if you want to extend it, all you have to do is to click on this extend, and then it's going to go ahead and extend the song for you. Make it longer the better, right? And now let's say that we love the song, we love the version of the song. All we have to do next is to download the song to our device. But before we do that, I want to point some things out for you. Now, this platform gives you access to sell the songs on the platform. So there are a lot of people that come to buy the songs on the platform, already generated songs, so you can make a lot of money from this platform by selling the song that you generated, right? And also, you can, of course, you can download it as MP3 and you own the song. No copyright whatsoever, because the song comes with ownership certificate. This means that if you have any copyright issue whatsoever, you have an ownership certificate to certify that you are the true owner of the song. Now, how cool is this? So now the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and hit download MP3 to download the song straight to our device. Now, another interesting fact about this platform is that it gives you 6 free songs every day. That is, you can generate 6 free songs every day. But if you want to take it serious and start using it to generate videos for YouTube and putting it on Spotify and other streaming platforms, it's advisable that you go for the paid plan, okay? So that you can have access to ownership certificate. This one is very important. Ownership certificate, so that you can lay claim if anybody comes and say, oh, this is my song, or if anybody places a copyright on it, you can prove that, come, this is my song, right? This is the ownership certificate, and YouTube is going to release the video for you. Now, how cool is this? Now, if you want to learn how you can start generating animations using the songs that you generate on this platform, how you can do animations. I've done a lot of tutorials on it, so I wouldn't want to start boring you again. But if you want me to make another video, a new video on how to do animation, also let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do that for you. But for the meantime, here is a playlist that I put together for you to learn everything that you need to know about animation, different styles, different formats, so you can go ahead and choose whichever one that best suits you. Now go ahead and watch it now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.